Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. In today's video, we are going to learn this cute DIY frames. These are created using a single paper. So let's start. Here I am using a square paper, side 18 cm. We will require a scissor, pencil, ruler and Fevicol. Now with the help of scale, make 4 points at a distance of 1 cm each. Now here we will draw 4 lines. Now we have to do this on remaining 3 sides. So it's done. Now on the 2 sides we have to again draw 2 more lines. And there will be distance of 1 cm. So let's see a close-up. You have to draw lines like this. And at last you have to draw marks like this. Now here you have to cut it like this. And here like this. I'm showing you one side. You have to cut the remaining 3 corners in the same way. Now with the help of scale you have to fold your paper like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the same way you have to fold remaining 3 sides. The folding part is done. Now you can write whatever you want to write here, or you can paste any picture, but do it before making the final frame, because it's little difficult to write after making the corners. So here I'm writing in calligraphy. You can just use your normal handwriting also. Now I will show you how you have to fold it. Like this, and you have to fix it inside this one. Yes. So first I will apply glue. Now we will fold this, and you have to fix the straight corner inside the sharp corners like this, and hold it for 30 seconds approx. Yes. So our first frame is ready. So you can see how cute it is. Now if you want, you can make the corners black, or you can make the whole frame black, or you can make the borders black and inside part white. I will show you the samples. So this one is made from a complete black paper. Now this one I have used a black paper, and at the center part I have used white paper. So it's very easy, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.